today we've got the realistic TRC3000, a Navajo base station, and cameras on the stupid angle. Perhaps we can prop it up a fraction. We'll run with the built-in 3-inch speaker. Meter set as per manual, but it's reading a high residual background noise for no reason. I don't know whether we've got a big racket on, but that's how it is. Major transmitter problems. It's had something assembled wrongly for decades, and it's taken its toll. So it's been rebuilt. Power supply, we've done the output transistor, the driver transistor, and so on and so forth. We've got 3.3 watts on our test set, but of course that will be more than 5 watts on a Zitagi meter. See whether Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, Dodger, I am ready.
Roger that, off we go then.
Roger.
Right, we'll pass the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio with no tone control.
Roger that, you've got a little bit of a hum.
Oh dear, well you know how this is a base station. I've rebuilt the power supply, so it is what it is.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station.
Roger on that, and it's closed.
It is. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, you're going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
realistic TRC3000 base station. It uses a pretty unique GRE chassis, and it does, this one does 3.3 watts output, and I'm on standard replacement microphone, over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, dodger.
Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point on this realistic 3000 base station, doing 3.3 watts. I'm on a standard replacement mic, the radio's from 1983, and we're going to go to the low power, which is set for 330 milliwatts. So here we go, when I find the switch, it is 54321. There we are on low power doing 330 milliwatts. We'll go back to full power, and there we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power, very clear on low power as well.
Can't be bad, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that. I've got you.
from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Hoseby level crossing. Over. Right, petrol 133.
Tango 21, testing the realistic TRC3000 into our Midland 76900 base station. So we're, of course, on its built-in power supply. Mr. Chippie says there's a bit of a hum. So we're going to go to low power, see whether that diminishes. Here we go, 54321. There we are on low power, doing 330 milliwatts. We'll go back to full power. There we are back on full power. And now what we'll do is we will go over to the factory original mic.